Hey guys, today we're going to share an awesome product with you that we were sent to try, and stay tuned to the end for an awesome giveaway. So today we want to share with you a product that's called Super Clean Degreaser. Jessica over at the Super Clean team contacted us several months ago and asked if we would like to try their products. She would send them to us for us to try, and if we liked them, we could do a video about them. Well, obviously we liked them because here we are doing a video about them. So let me show you what they sent to us. These are basically all degreasers and cleaners. They have a multitude of uses. There's a regular spray bottle degreaser, an aerosol degreaser, a wheel cleaner, and then a foaming cleaner. One thing I like about these products is they are all biodegradable and they're phosphate free. While they are still chemicals, they're not as harsh as some of the chemicals out there on the markets for degreasing and cleaning. We've had a chance to use these for a couple different things here on the truck, and that's really why we wanted to try them, because of course out here being in a truck, we get a lot of grime on the truck. There's grease, there's oil, there's all kind of things that get in and on the truck that we wanted to try to use these cleaners for to see how well they worked. There are so many uses that you can use these cleaners for indoors. You can use them outdoors. You can use them in automotive applications, RV, marine applications. These are all full strength. Now you can dilute them for different uses, like you can get grease out of laundry, which I thought was amazing, especially being out on the road working on the truck. Jason does get grease on his clothes, so that's one application we can use them for. So yeah, you can use them for all kinds of things. You can use them to clean barbecue grills. You can use it to clean floor mats. You can use it to clean your tools. There's so many things. Appliances, you know, if you get grease on your appliances while you're cooking, you can use it for that. Lots of uses. I'm going to go over a couple of things that we have used and tried the products out for here on the truck. In one of our toolboxes, we keep a spare oil, our tools, things like that for the truck, mechanical things for the truck. One of the oil bottles that Jason had in there had spilt and got oil all inside of the toolbox. So Jason used one of the cleaners in the toolbox, and he was able to remove all of that oil that got all over the toolbox, and it worked very well getting all of that up, unlike a traditional cleaner. One of the other uses that I used it for is, if you remember a while back, we had to tear the floor out of the sleeper. And when we did that, there was some residue and things on the floor that needed cleaned. So I was able to use the Super Clean on the floor to get all of that residual glue and gunk that was on the floor up, and it worked awesome. Now that we don't have a vinyl flooring on the floor anymore, I have been using this. I dilute it with a little bit of water, and I do use it when I clean the truck and clean the floor, because we still have that rubber mat down on the floor that gets dirty, especially walking back here with dirty shoes. The dogs get dirt on their feet, so using this has really helped clean the floor, and it's worked way better than like just a regular floor cleaner. Speaking about using it on the floor, up front in the front of the cab, we do have floor mats down, which are kind of just a cheap carpeting, but underneath that is also a rubber mat, and I have used this to clean that as well, because it gets gunk on it from our shoes getting in and out of the truck. I really think it does a good job for that, especially, you know, when you're out fueling the truck in fuel islands and truck stops. You get grease on your shoes, you get fuel on your shoes, so it's worked really well cleaning the floors in the front cab and in the sleeper. Another thing that we've used recently is the wheel cleaner. We take our truck to Blue Beacon to get it washed, but there's always brake dust that's caked up or grime that's caked up on our rims of our truck that they just don't get off, even with their power washer. So we did try the wheel cleaner on the rims, and it worked really well getting that stuck on, gunked on brake dust and grime that was on the rims. It got it off really well. So those are just some of the uses that we've tried the product for, and again, it's worked great. It doesn't leave a residue, it's cleaned very well, and it doesn't have a strong odor or any kind of smell like that. I did want to share with you some of the other uses that you can use these products for, because not only are we going to continue using them in the truck, but we're also going to use them at home for our RV, our Ford, any applications like that. I mean, I think it's great that there's such a multitude of uses that you can use them for. So just some of the things that you can use it for full strength is a drain opener. I think that's a lot better than using like a strong chemical like Drano or things like that. Floor wax remover, garbage disposals. You can clean your garbage disposal. You can clean your oven. You can clean scuff marks off of the floor. If you have a shop or a garage, you can clean the floors in that. I've actually wanted to get out and try it in the floor of our box. I think that's the next thing we're going to use it for. We just haven't done it because it's been cold out, so we haven't wanted to get back there and do that. But I think it'll work really well to get a lot of that scuff mark and forklift tire marks off of our floor in the box. So once we do that, we'll give you an update and let you know how it does. You can also use it to clean fireplaces, shop equipment, stove hoods and exhaust fans, tools, workbenches, appliances, your plastic blinds in your house. You can pre-soak your pots and pans. You can use it on your tubs and showers. So many uses. Outdoors, you can use it on barbecue grills, concrete, lawnmowers, tractors, farm equipment, plastic furniture, pool areas if you have a pool, driveways. I mean, gosh, there's just so many things. On automotive stuff, you can use it on auto parts, engines, your tires, underbody of your car, shop equipment, carpets and floor mats, vinyl seats and dashboards, upholstery. One of the things we might try it for also that we haven't is we have fabric seats or upholstered seats in the front of the truck. We have a few stains on those because they are a light gray, and I'm probably going to try using that to get some of those stains out. You dilute it with some water, like 8-part water to 1-part super clean, and I should be able to get some of those stains out of the seats. Those are just a fraction of the things that you can use these products for, which I think is awesome. I love having one product with multiple uses instead of having multiple things to use for multiple uses. It's just so much easier. I am going to leave a link to their website down in the description. You can go check out their website. They have all kinds of information on there about the products, what you can use them for, where you can purchase the products if you would like to purchase them. We've really enjoyed using these products. We think they work really well, and we're excited to share them with you all. We want to thank Jessica and the Super Clean team for sending us these products to try out and use. We love them and think you all will too. And another thing that I want to thank her for is they have agreed to do a giveaway for you guys. Not one, but 2 giveaways. So let's talk about the details of that. They are going to do 2 giveaways for you guys. It's going to be a prize pack, which is going to be these 4 products. Maybe she'll throw in some goodies like a hat or a t-shirt for you guys as well. All you have to do to be entered is to leave a comment down in the description that you would like to be entered, and maybe let us know what you want to use these products for. There's going to be 2 winners picked. One of the stipulations is you have to be a US or a Canadian resident to enter the giveaway, and that's just the stipulation that they've put on it because they are going to send these directly to you. We're not getting them and sending them, so they want it to be either a US or Canadian resident. Sorry to our international viewers. Make sure to leave the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and you will have until Monday at midnight, I'll leave the dates down here, to be entered. On Tuesday, we will pick 2 winners to win these awesome products. We hope you guys are excited. We are excited that we got sent them to try. We're excited for 2 of y'all to win these products. And again, I'd like to thank Jessica and the Super Clean team for sending these to us and being so gracious to give 2 of you guys a prize pack as well. Good luck to everybody, and thank you as always for watching and subscribing.
Until our next video.
Peace, love, and expediting.
Man, that is super clean.